The wireless car vacuum cleaner, a powerful and portable solution designed to keep your vehicle's interior spotless without the hassle of cords or outlets. This isn't just any vacuum cleaner, it's a versatile and convenient companion crafted to provide efficient cleaning on the go. Say goodbye to crumbs, dirt, and dust in your car and welcome the wireless car vacuum cleaner into your life, because maintaining a clean car interior should be as effortless as your drive. This car vacuum cleaner isn't just a cleaning tool, it's an automotive hygiene hero. With its cordless design and rechargeable battery, it offers the freedom to clean every nook and cranny of your car without being tethered to an outlet. No more searching for a power source or dealing with tangled cords. The wireless car vacuum cleaner is here to provide convenient and efficient cleaning whenever and wherever you need it. It's not just a vacuum, it's a car cleanliness crusader. But let's talk about practicality. This isn't just any car accessory, it's a time-saving marvel. Its wireless functionality means no more dragging a traditional vacuum cleaner or relying on gas station vacuums. The wireless car vacuum cleaner is lightweight, compact, and easy to maneuver, ensuring that you can enjoy the benefits of a clean car interior without the hassle of traditional cleaning methods. It's like having your personal car detailing assistant, convenient, efficient, and always ready when you need it. And versatility, unmatched. Whether you're tackling crumbs on the seats, dust in the cup holders, or pet hair on the carpet, the wireless car vacuum cleaner adapts to your cleaning needs with various attachments and powerful suction. It's not just a vacuum, it's a multi-purpose cleaning solution that enhances the cleanliness of your car interior. But wait, there's more. This vacuum cleaner isn't just about practicality, it's about efficiency. With its HEPA filtration system, the wireless car vacuum cleaner captures and traps allergens, ensuring that the air in your car remains clean and fresh. It's not just a vacuum, it's a breath of fresh air for your vehicle. Picture this: you effortlessly cleaning your car interior with the wireless car vacuum cleaner, reaching every corner and crevice without the limitations of cords. It's not just about tidying up, it's about turning your car into a spotless and hygienic space. That is it for today. Remember to hit the like and the subscribe button. See ya.